We will take the last question. Ehsan from Lahore, Pakistan, he asks, is it permissible to call Kaafir a Kaafir? The word Kaafir is derived from the root word kufr, which means to reject, to conceal or to hide. Linguistically, the word Kaafir means to reject, to conceal or to hide. In Islamic terminology, Kaafir means a person who rejects or hides the truth of Islam. So a non-Muslim, in Arabic, he is called as a Kaafir. So when a person is speaking in Arabic, if he is referring to the non-Muslim, he will call them a Kaafir. So it is permissible to call a non-Muslim a Kaafir, because this word Kaafir, if you translate it into English, it refers to as a non-Muslim. So as I said, linguistically, it means to reject, to conceal or to hide. Like the farmer, he hides the seeds. But in Islamic terminology, it refers to someone who rejects or hides the truth of Islam. Non-Muslim, in Arabic, he is called as a Kaafir. If the Kaafir or the non-Muslim, they do not like this terminology of Kaafir, then I would request them to accept Islam, and we will stop referring them as a Kaafir, that is a non-Muslim.